check if this goes right because next year I want next week
Next year?
Week, sorry. Week I won't be there. So if I am able to, then I join live.
I don't know that you check with the madam.
So that's it that you check if it is visible to you.
So this much time pass was going, no?
The live was not
You should tell
going.
na.
Live was not.
Then you should tell na. Then I wasted my time for him, you know. Actually, you are seeing the fish over there.
No, the man was selling the banana.
Also, let them man.
Yeah.
Alright, come here. Yeah. Dia, show your homework. What you done?
I did MCQ of polynomial.
Every time MCQ told you. What did you do? 5 days are over. What did you do revision?
Huh?
What did you do homework?
So homework you said first exercise 5.1 questions 7 and 8. And then the other homework I have practiced in my practice.
Well, which chapter?
Linear equations.
What did you do?
So polynomials first exercise.
Polynomials first exercise here. Done. Sit down, all of you. And this man, fight man. Oh, dear friends.
No, sir.
Hello.
It's not available on YouTube.
It's available. Wait, sir.
You do one thing. Stop it.
The 10% I like.
Did you check with Pramila madam?
No.
Who is the PUT? Kya? Did you ask this all thing?
No. But she told me
Hello?
when we were taking admission.
Did you ask? So then you should go to her and ask. And not your own ways to do it. Okay? Close the mobile first. She will tell you what is to be done. Okay? She knows how to do what is to be done. You are permitted, not permitted, all these things she will tell you. Shortcuts don't try to find out. And fighter cook. Fighter. What is the specialization in your martial art? What's specialization in martial art? The volume is not there.
No, volume is there,
Take it
sir.
out. What is the specialization in martial art? Which martial art?
Sir, MMA, sir.
Because name is in
I'm good in which martial arts? Grappling.
Which kind of anyone know about grappling?
Grappling means grappling or what?
Grappling.
Yeah,
What to
pakarna. So the
Wrestling, sir, wrestling.
Wrestling, I tell you.
Type of wrestling, sir.
Type of wrestling. So that you will come to know. No? Maybe there are wrestling, there are a lot of types we don't know.
Then it's mixed.
Okay. Chalo. Listen. We are starting with the chapter lines and angles. What happened now? You will stand up.
Me?
Why? Go and sit in the next bench.
Sir, no, sir, please.
Yes. One of you go and sit. You are feeling, not feeling, you are feeling unwell now. Go and sit in the last bench.
Not check.
So that you will be okay now. As I see, it will be called for you now.
Yes.
Okay. So hello. Move inside. Don't look behind, okay? Yeah. Okay. Listen all of you. The chapter is called lines and angles.
Before that, so linear equations and graph we are not done.
Where is the graph in the textbook? Graph is there?
The questions are there on
Which
graph and
graph?
practice questions. So
Yeah.
let me show you.
So, which exercise?
Practice questions where graphs there are. The ones which are circled, so you can see.
Basically, in your textbook, graph questions are removed.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Okay.
NCERT.
Ah.
That's why sir, our teacher also didn't teach us.
That is why I did not. Okay. You do one thing. When you go to next class, teacher, this is
Sir,
what
my
now.
maths
They are. Please
Boleh
listen to
nahi.
now. You ask your school teacher, is it linear equation? Graph is coming in the exams.
No.
Okay, you just shut your mouth. Okay, think that you are doing wrestling. Okay, when doing wrestling, you talk. Okay. So, okay, you are not doing wrestling. Okay, Acha, keep that finger in your mouth, please. So, ask the teacher, If teacher says yes, it's required, then we will discuss. Okay, not required, we will not do. Problem is solved?
Yes.
Yes. You have any problem? You have any problem? I didn't tell her. She will tell me long. Maybe today baby sitting was there.
No. It's only on Saturday.
You said you are going to cook something and bring it.
What food something?
Cook.
You cook something and
I
you.
don't get time.
Okay, so no problem. Okay, don't be sad. You have any doubt? You have any doubt? You have any doubt? What is it?
Sir,
What is it? Hello. This is wrestling. This is a wrestling match. Can you see the opponent?
So you only told him to put his finger in his mouth. Defend
Who you know who put the finger in the mouth? So you're proving yourself now. Now next class, do one thing, I'll tell volume pumping. There is a. Have you heard about feeding bottle? Feeding bottle.
No, sir. ये बेटा है दूसरे घर में है नहीं।
I'll tell buy one. Okay. Maybe now. So when finger is not there, something else, you put in the mouth. Okay. Should I call?
So you can tell him to get a passive.
Hello.
Okay, keep quiet.
Okay, when I speak to you, nobody passes anything. Okay. No, I'm joking. Don't make fun of him. If I tell something, that's it, finished. Okay. Even this is applicable for everyone. If I tell something to you, means others will not take and they make fun of her. To everyone, including Dia.
Huh?
What
did I do?
You don't do anything, study. Chalo, okay. So, in last class we discussed about what is the difference. I still remember what is the difference between line segment, and ray. Yes or no? You remembering now?
Yes.
Line extends both the direction indefinitely. Okay. Line segment starting from one point and ending with another point. It has a fixed point, end point. It's a part of the line. And the ray is also, both ray and line segment are part of the line. Ray has one end point and extends to one direction. Okay, Sarisha, you heard this much. So go to the board.
So we are doing which chapter?
Lines and angle. Now write down how to write segment AB, how to write ray AB, and how to write line AB.
What?
Line AB. Write line AB. How to write? Below write segment AB. Hello. All Dia and ray AB.
Sir, why we are doing geometry?
Lines and angles, yeah.
Okay. Now, what is the notation for line segment AB? This line AB. What is the notation? Above right side you make it.
No.
Line AB notation.
Notation.
How will you write line AB? There is a representation in there now. This is called line AB.
Array.
Hello, you be quiet.
So should I draw?
No drawing. What did you do? Correct only. Write what is line AB, line segment AB, and ray AB. This is what?
That is line AB. This is ray AB.
Then what is line segment AB?
Wait, sir.
So, yeah. Have you seen how to write? We write in words. Arrow on both sides means it is coming as line AB. The segment means line segment. One side is extension means it is ray AB. All of you followed? Hello, here you. Are you followed how to write? First time you are seeing?
No, sir.
Sure, na?
Yes.
Okay. So you stand up and come here. You know difference between all the three, na? Do you know difference between all the three? Are you yes?
Yes.
Okay. Go and make an angle.
Angle.
Yes.
Any angle.
Again, make one angle, anyone. Give the name.
No, I don't know how to make an angle. It's correct.
What she's telling. Go. Go and make one angle and give its name. I'll take another pen now. Give that pen to me. Give that pen. Black pen is there. Now what is the name of this angle? Who is it? Huh? Why did I ask you to why this marked over there?
What this?
What is the marking is that one?
90.
90. I did not tell to make a 90-degree angle. Okay, wait. What is the name of this angle? AOB. Did you hear how to make an angle? It's not necessary that you have to make a right 90-degree angle. Now, how is what happened? All okay now? Okay. You're sleeping a lot, that's why.
No, sir.
Now, how is an angle is formed? How an angle is formed?
Two rays. Two rays.
Two rays?
Yes.
Tell.
Intersecting. Yes.
Two rays?
Intersecting.
What intersecting? Two rays with a common starting point. Which are the two rays over here?
A and B.
A is a ray.
OA and OB.
Ray OA and row OB. Are you followed? You cannot, line will be said by two letters. And my dear friend, you know, you are doing martial, you are doctor, your father is a doctor, no? Imagine you send machi over there and father will come to buy
Sir,
machi.
I am listening. Sir.
I am seeing what you are doing. You are listening to them, how they are selling machi.
No, sir, I am listening to you, sir.
So just imagine, your father comes to buy machi for me. So that is not your future, no? So please turn this side. Why I am telling this one, you know, you should think, I should reach above my father. Means, my father is qualified this much, I should be little more qualified. Is it true? Then only your father will be proud of you. Are you hearing me? So all should think that way. My father studied this much. If he can do this much, I should study more than him. Then the parents will be what? Parents will be jealous or parents will be proud? Proud. Okay, that is all. They proudly will tell. Today you will tell proudly, no, my father is a doctor. Yes or no? Then after some time, your father will tell, see my son, look at, he is this one. Proudly tell. Will tell. Why? Because if you are not qualified, then what is it? You will not try to when I tell you simple thing. When you get your mark above 95%, what is the mark? You will tell loudly. I got 9 out of 20, 19 marks. I got 20 out of 20. You will tell shout and loud. Proudly you will tell or not?
Yes.
All of you I am telling you.
Yes.
Whereas if you get 8 of 9, then what is out of 8 out of 20 or 9 out of 20, what did you do? So look, I got less mark. What chalo? They don't tell. So less mark. Look down in front of other people. Your head is down. It's a shame for you. Is it or not? So think about. I should make my parents and myself be proud. Understood? Why I'm telling these all things? So that's the reason you people are come over here. Yeah. Let's come over here. So which are the rays over here?
OA and
Ray
OB.
OA and OB with a common point. That common point is called, and the angle that common point is called, the common point is called vertex of the angle. Origin nahi, there is no origin for an angle. Okay, but there is no origin for the angle. Yeah, I don't know why you all of you go back to your place. Sigma. Dia,
Yes,
do you know what is the angle drawn over here? Do you know what is the name of this angle?
Acute angle.
Array, keep quiet now. What is the name of this angle? Huh?
Acute angle.
What is the name of this angle?
Angle ABC.
Angle ABC. Hello? Did I ask you what type of angle? One will shout something, you will also shout something. What is the name of this angle? Angle ABC. No. Do you know any other name for this angle? No. You.
CBA.
Angle CBA. Do you know any other angle for this angle? Then why did you raise it? Tell first, don't waste my time.
No, I think angle B.
Angle B. There are three names are coming. Angle ABC, angle CBA or angle B. Here B is called vertex. BA and BC are called arms or sides of the angle. Are you followed? Here later you have to tell all these things. Okay. If they are doing one time, you have to do two times all these things. Then only you will learn. Understood or not? That's why I keep on telling you have to practice more. Okay. So angle BA and BC are the arms of the angle. So vertex is B. So vertex should come always the middle letter. Vertex should always come the middle letter. When you name the angle, there should be either 3-letter or 1-letter. When you name the line, there will be 2 letters. Line segment 2 letters, ray 2 letters, point 1 letter. While telling you should know how to. Point there means you will write capital A. Angle ABC means capital ABC. Okay. Now over here, this is angle ABC, angle CBA, angle B. With B as vertex, if one angle only is there means then only we tell angle B. Suppose if I draw this much. Anand, how many angles are there in this figure? Louder. If you don't know. Or if you know, tell. 4 angles. Which are the 4 angles? Tell the name of 4 angles.
Angle ABC. Angle ABD.
ABD, second one.
Angle CBD.
Third one. Where is the fourth one?
Angle CBA.
CBA. Are ABC and CBA same thing only now? Understood or not? There are how many angles are there? 3 angles. Can you tell any of these angles as B?
Yes.
Which one is B?
B.
Which angle is B?
Angle CBA because
Angle CBA is angle CBA is angle B. Then how about angle BABD also angle B now? With one vertex, more than one angle is there, you cannot tell us the vertex only. You have to tell the full name. Are you followed? Whose is this? Take it. Where the noises come? Take it out. I will throw this bag outside, then you will see from there only. Keep it close, switch off and keep it here. Okay, so the names you followed or not? Okay, now what is it? Quickly. The mobile only? Okay. Now. Okay, now did you people neglect now? Let her, she has a problem, so we don't look at her. Okay. I marked one angle. Who know that? Don't shout the name. Who know the name of this angle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your name is up or down? Your hand is up or down?
Down.
Down. You don't know what is the name of this angle which I marked. You don't want to tell. There is nothing I don't want to tell. So tell the name. The name means A, B, C, D. I did not ask which type. So tell C, B, D. What acute is keep on reading. Okay. Don't tell acute. Okay. This marked angle is called which one? Angle CBD or DBC. Yeah. And then what is the name of this angle marked over here?
ABD.
Angle ABD. Angle ABD. Are you followed? Tanish, what is the angle marked over here?
Angle ABC.
Angle ABC. All of you followed or not? Okay. Then over here, the condition. Next is Sarisha. Angle ABC. Have you seen? Angle CBD have we seen? What is angle ABC plus angle CBD?
They are both equal to each other.
Who said they are equal? Listen, don't keep something in your mind and tell.
Angle ABD, sir.
So that is why no, don't keep something in your mind and give the answer.
Angle
Angle ABC plus CBD is equal to angle ABD. All of you followed or not? See, addition. This is angle addition. Don't make mistake. These all things are coming. Then that time, don't make mistake. That's why I'm telling. You know it. All of you know. Okay. This is the first condition. Now, next is we are going to name of the angle we said. Now we are going to tell about the types of angles. Different. Tell me one type of angle.
Acute.
What is an acute angle?
Sir, angles which are below 90 degrees.
Angles whose measurement is less than 90 degrees called acute angle. All of you followed? Yes or no? Another angle. Right angle. What's the meaning of right angle? Angle whose measurement is equal to 90 degrees. Those who are not followed, raise a hand. Followed, not followed.
Followed.
Okay, you. Okay, after right angle it is reflex.
Obtuse angle.
So then tell now what I will ask you what is
Angle
reflex.
which is more than 90 and less than 180.
More than 90, less than 180 degree it is called which angle? Obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Angle which is more than 90.
180.
More than 180
Who is that? So obtuse angle is more than 90 but less than 180 is called obtuse angle. Okay, tell me what is reflex angle. Close that volume. All of you close the volume. Everyone close the volume.
Angle which is more than 180 and less than 360.
Angle which is more than 180 and less than 360 is called reflex angle. Go and draw on reflex angle and show me.
Sir, one more time.
Are you witness? Have you? I asked lot of questions to you now.
No.
No, I never asked any other question.
Right now.
Today, how many questions I asked you? How many answers have you got?
Two.
So two. What will take chance? Don't know. You don't make everything or okay, and then everyone will. The angle, a reflex angle is that exterior part. Yes or no? Sarisha, what happened? You are okay?
No, sir.
Not okay. Whenever you be okay, you tell me. Okay. So now look here. Doctor's advice. If you want, I'll tell Tanish. Doctor's advice is required.
No.
No. Okay. So reflex angle, all of you seen. Okay, it's outside. Okay, 360 minus the angle ABC. Okay. Now. Okay, she is completing. Okay, tell what is the other angle?
Sir, complete angle.
What is complete
360
angle?
degree.
Complete angle means it is complete rotation. Two rays will be coinciding, then it is called complete angle 360 degree.
Okay, but I was doing
So then you might know that other
no,
classes is
sir,
also
I was doing like this because my hair is getting stuck there. That's it.
No. You move little this side now. Problem solved now. Yes. Do you know any other angle?
The straight line.
Straight angle. An angle whose measure straight line 180 degree it is called straight angle. So 4-5 things said. Acute all of you know.
Yes.
Right angle all of you know.
Yes.
Obtuse angle all of you know.
Yes.
Straight angle all of you know.
Yes.
Does it not tell me?
Yes, sir.
Do you know? Okay. Then reflex angle all of you know.
Yes.
And complete angle you know. This much all of you. 0 degree angle means angle measurement is equal to 0. Okay, this one. Now we are going to show these angles we followed. Have you heard about the word pair? Pair, P-A-R-I-R. Pair means how many?
So
Two. Pair of angles. We are going to talk. Do you know any pair of angles? No. You know any name of pair of angles? No. You know any pair of angles? Do you know any pair of angles? Don't know. Do you know? No. Do you know? Have you heard about complementary angles?
Heard, sir.
No, but don't know.
Yes.
Okay, open your notebook. Open your notebook, I said. Close the volume.
Yeah.
For what?
Sir ने
Page
बोला
number I am telling you. Don't worry. Right. I will not waste the time. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Write down below. Two angles whose sum is equal to 90 degree. Complementary. Spelling of what he is doing.
two angles.
Whose sum is equal to 90 degree are called complementary angles. First time we are hearing.
Yes. No.
No.
But nobody said.
Equal to 90 degrees.
So two angles whose sum is equal to 90 degree are called complementary angles. Written all of you. Okay. Listen. 60 and 30. What is 60 plus 30?
90.
Therefore 60 degree and 30 degree are complementary angles. 40 and 50.
Yes.
40 plus 50? 90. 30 and 30.
No, not
60.
complementary.
60, but therefore they are not complementary. Understood or not? You have to add them. Okay, any two angles, you take the measurement. Angle ABC, 30 degree. Angle PQR, 60 degree. Add both of them, 90 degree. Therefore they are complementary angles. Okay, next is listen. What is the angle complement to 40 degree? What is the angle complement to 40 degree?
50 degree.
50 degree.
90 minus 40, which is equal to 50 degree. Are you followed, all of you? What is the angle complement to 30 degree?
60 degree.
90 minus 30, 60 degree. Are you followed? Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Now, second one. Have you heard about supplementary angles?
The two angles when are sum of they are
Some of
Sir, whose sum is
one equal to one.
So write down in your book. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles.
Sir, same statement plus
Two
180 degree.
So write down now. Two angles sum is equal to 180 degree. Written?
No.
Two angles sum is equal to 180 degree are supplementary angles. Written? Equal. What is it?
two angles whose sum is equal to.
Do you know what is spelling of angle?
Yes.
What is the spelling of angle? Tell na.
AG.
AG
No, no.
ANGLE.
Oh,
So change it at least one place. ANGLES angles. Okay. Are you followed?
yes.
Don't make mistake. Supplementary. Sarisha, can you give an example of two supplementary angles?
90 degree and 90.
Oh, only 90 and 90. Something else is there?
Sir.
120 and 40.
120 plus 40 is 180.
60 or 70. Sorry, sir. 120 and 120 and 60.
120 and 60. Addition should become as how many? 180 degree. Now listen to me. What is the angle supplement to 100 degree?
80. 80.
180 minus 100, 80 degree. Are you followed? Okay. So, and complement means 90 minus that angle. Supplement means 180 minus. Is it clear?
160 plus 20.
60 plus 20.
160 plus 20, yes. Sir.
There are a lot of things are there, not only two. There are infinite things you can do. Okay? Understood or not? Okay? Supplementary angles all of you followed. Complementary angles all of you followed. Have you heard about adjacent angles?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, angles which are. How can I?
Don't draw it for me. Don't draw it for me.
Opposite.
Which have a
So go on, draw. If you know, draw and show. Are can you?
Sir, we will say.
Don't know. Do you know? Anyone knows?
What?
Adjacent angle.
So, yes, sir.
Two angles having one common arm.
I know, sir. I can draw it.
Then do now. How much time I'm telling?
Yes, I can also draw.
Fast.
chance. I think board पे draw
All of you be quiet.
Sir, see. Sir, these two are adjacent.
Go back to your place. Hello. Go back to your place. What are you doing? Rectangle you are drawing? Hello, madam, please go back to your place.
Sir, we see like this.
Who's that Aisha is it? You know how to do?
No, but it's not like that.
We are sorry, raised. Okay.
Common vortex.
Sir, A is in this.
Who is that?
Sir, I was asking.
You're asking. I will tell you. Okay. Now, I will tell the name of two angles. Angle ABC and angle CBD. Have you seen the two angles?
Yes, sir.
I repeat, angle ABC and angle CBD. They are, what is going on? One is going on. You want to shift to this side? No. Angle ABC and angle CBD are adjacent angle. Why they are adjacent angle? There are three properties are there. First property, common vertex. Second property, common arm. Then third property, hello. I will tell now to write when I tell you write. Third one, the non-common arm lie on the opposite side of the common arm. Mean this is common arm, its opposite side. One is above and other is below. Opposite side of the common arm. Three properties should satisfy. Are you followed? Now I am going to tell another. So do you know which are the two angles I said?
Yes.
What are the two
Angle
angles?
ABC and
And
angle
angle
CBD.
ABC and angle CBD. I am going to tell another pair. Angle ABC and angle ABD. Have you seen these two angles?
Yes.
Are they adjacent angles?
Yes.
They are not adjacent angles.
So second pair is what?
They, one second.
Second
They have a common vertex. They have a common arm AB. But the non-common arm, they are not in the opposite side. They are in the same side. See, this side it is common. Therefore, it is not adjacent. Clear now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure. Now, look here, another one. If I take ABC and DBE,
ABC and
ABC and DBE,
so they are not
they are not adjacent angle. Are you followed?
Yes.
Reason? There is
So
no
because
common
there's
arm.
no common arm.
There is no common arm between them. Are you followed? One arm should be common between them. Okay, everyone is clear. You have a doubt.
One arm is common, sir.
Where is the common? ABC, have you seen? A, B, C, D, B, D, B.
Oh,
Not A, B, D. Okay, so there are a lot of adjacent. Are you followed? So right, heading right, adjacent. If you spelling you are facing difficulty, tell me. I'll write adjacent angles. Right. Two angles are said to be adjacent. Two angles are said to be adjacent. Adjacent if they have a common vertex, comma, a common arm, common vertex, comma, a common arm, and they are non-common arms.
There?
Non-common arms. They are non-common arms.
common vertex to common arm.
Did you write common arm? Comma. Their non-common arms, non-common arms are on different sides, opposite side, different sides of the common arm. Written all of you?
Yes.
Okay.
So that written like this point wise.
Hello, my dear. What did I tell you what to write? I said I became to know, so write what I'm telling. Okay, that's enough. Now, those who have You can just draw this figure so that you people are quite a lot of people who cannot draw. Write this one and below write angle ABC and rough figure is enough. Rough figure is enough. Quickly draw and then write angle ABC and angle CBD are adjacent angles. Angle ABC and so that you should not confuse. Angle ABC and angle CBD are adjacent angles. Same letters what is given in the board, otherwise you will confuse. Done. Are adjacent angles. Written?
No, sir.
Alright. Array fast. I said draw the figure fast. These are not very important to draw. Scale, pencil, measure and do
Yes, sir.
it. Then below right now. Two adjacent angles. One important property I am going to explain. Two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree. Two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree are called linear pair angles. Whose sum is 180 degree are called linear, L-I-N-E-A-R, linear pair angles. Written? This man, Danish, did you write?
Yes.
Okay, now look at, Arey Sarisha, please listen now, don't do in between these all. You're irritating me.
Sorry, sir.
Now, look, you said the sum is 180. Sum of two angles is 180 means what will be that angle? It's a straight now. Is it the sum is 180 will come? No. If it is 180 means you will see that this line look like now, straight now. Okay, so this is straight line. Are you followed? Okay, that means angles on a straight line. Two angles on a straight line. These are the two angles on a straight line. Look here. But always witnessing. Okay. P, Q, R, S. Dia, what are the two adjacent angles here?
Yes.
SQP.
And
SQP and quickly tell SQP and SQR. They are two adjacent angles. What is the sum? Sum is 180. We said they are called which one? Linear pair angles. Are you followed? Whenever I tell linear pair angles, we say this one. The angles on a straight line. The reason for this one, now in questions you will see this plus this equal to 180 degree. Reason in bracket you will write linear pair axiom. AXIOM. What is linear pair axiom means? Two adjacent angles whose sum is equal to how much? I did not tell you to write now, you wait now. Yeah, I will make you to write. You listen, use your brain first. Okay. Now look it. Oh, listen. So sum is equal to 180. Then if you write as which type of linear pair axiom. Now look here. What is sum of these two angles?
180.
180. Are they supplementary angles? Yes. Then what is the difference between linear pair angles and supplementary angles?
So the supplementary, they do not have a common angle.
Supplementary can anywhere. It's not that I can tell this is 60 and this is 120 here supplementary. Even if I take like this one. Who is that? Again she only? Arey, the whose bag is Tina? Others can't be doing this. Now she did.
Sir, Sarisha.
Arey, you people do when I get the complaint from other class. I am telling all the time. These people are good people. They are telling what good. You see, always they are banging on. How do they know they are doing intentionally or not?
Sometimes they also do
Yeah. So that's why don't do it. Look here. So what is the sum of these two? 180. So they are supplementary angles.
Yes.
Are they linear pair angles?
No.
So they should be in the linear pair angle. It should be adjacent angle. Are you followed?
Yes.
Okay. So they are you wrote they are linear pair angles. You wrote. Okay. Below right. Linear pair axiom. Linear pair axiom. Right. If a ray stands on a line.
Stands.
STA stand.
Okay.
If a ray stands stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Understood? This is called linear pair axiom.
Two adjacent angle
Is 180 degree. Okay, its opposite also is there. Means if the sum of two 180 degree, then it will come as a straight line. Are you followed? Listen here. And then put the hands up. Look. If it is given PR is a straight line. Are you looking at the figure? Are you marshmallow?
My friend also calls me marshmallow.
I know, so that's why I think so. Okay, the PR if it is a line, then if whenever is given PR is a line, immediately you can tell angle PQS plus angle SQR is equal to how much? 180 degree. Understood or not? If opposite, if PQS plus SQR is equal to 180, then you can write PR is a straight line. Are you followed?
It is not a linear pair.
Which is not in this figure, not there, here. Okay, the figure here you see. Okay, if they are adjacent and sum is 180, then this is straight line. Both the ways. So linear pair axiom, two parts are there. You wrote first part. Second part, right? Second part. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, second one.
If the sum of
Sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms,
Angle is
sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree,
non-common
then the non-common arms form a line. Form a line.
That's it.
Form a line. Written all of you? Okay. Both above axioms are called linear. Both of them are called linear pair axioms. Means, if you once again listen. If it is given PQR is a line. Okay.
sorry.
You do nonsense. Please don't disturb others. You do anything, okay? Don't disturb. Don't make noise. Now, if PQ and others also, whatever he does, he will be haha. Don't do it.
Sir, what did I
You and all
do?
of you, I'm telling you. Let him do whatever
Sir,
he
when
wants.
she is doing, you are not
No,
saying.
I'm telling you now. Just I'm telling you now. What is your problem when talking to her? Whatever he does, you don't need to look at him. Now, whenever it is given PR is a line, immediately you write sum of these two angles. Which are these two angles? Angle PQS plus angle SQR is equal to how much you will write? 180 degree. Opposite. In the question, if it is given PQR plus angle SQR is equal to 180 degree, immediately write this is a, what is a line? PR is a line. Both these properties are called which one? Linear pair axiom. Clear all of you? Yes or no? Okay. Next, after that, so we discussed today types of angles, then pair of angle. How many pair we said? 4 pairs. Vertical, supplementary, complementary, then adjacent angle, linear pair. Have we heard about vertically opposite angles?
How many types are there? How many?
Types is there. Listen, these all what I am teaching is not 9th standard work. These all things we have done in 6th and 7th. But yeah.
I have heard, sir.
Have you heard about? Do you know? Can you, if you don't know, explain? Can you draw and show? Then come and draw and show. No.
Sir, that I remember from the textbook, sir.
Whatever you know, you draw and show. So these are vertically opposite angles. These are what marked are called vertically opposite angles. Is it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Tell na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go back. You see. What she drawn is correct. When two lines intersect. Do you know what the meaning of the word intersect?
Yes.
What do you know what the meaning of the word intersect?
Overlap.
Do you know what is it? Tell. He says something. You will tell. Other than
His problem.
his problem. Then how did he come to the overlap? It's wrong.
I knew what he
What
said.
is wrong now? So that is why I am asking you now. Intersect means overlap. Do you know what is the meaning of word overlap? One is the other one. Yes. Then what is the overlap?
Overlap.
Do you know what is the meaning of intersect?
Yes, sir. When two lines meet at a common
Meet
point.
at a common point. Overlapping means one on the other one. Okay. So that is why please dear don't listen to anyone and tell. They will tell if you don't know, I don't know. Finish. Okay. See, this is called intersecting. What is this point is called intersecting. This is called intersecting point, meeting point. Understood or not? Okay. So when two lines intersect, by the way, do you know what is the meaning of parallel lines?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Later I will explain. No. I have drawn two lines are here. Which are the two lines here? AB and CD. What is the meeting point of them?
Oh.
So we say lines AB and CD
Meet at
intersect. You will not write in the intersect at the point O. Are you followed? Understood or not? Line AB and CD intersect at the point O. The opposite angles are called vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect, the opposite angles are called vertically opposite angle. Can you tell the vertically opposite angle in this figure?
COB and AOD.
COB and AOD. She said AOD. Isn't it? What is AOD? You said no. And which one? Angle COB. Can you tell another pair of vertically opposite angle?
AOC and DOB.
AOC and angle DOB. These are things you studied lot of times. We applied also in 8th standard also geometry applied. Okay, it's not that it is new thing. I'm explaining so that you should not make mistake. Are you followed? Okay. If you are followed, look here carefully. What is it? Who is it? Huh? You want to tell something? Tell loudly. How? Okay. Anish, in that figure, what are the vertically opposite angles?
Sir, angle ROQ and angle SOP.
Angle ROQ and angle SOP. Yes, you. What are the vertically opposite angles?
QOS and ROP.
QOS and angle
Wait
ROP.
a minute.
What are the vertically opposite angles?
SOP and QOI.
Now, that means you people are not listening in my lecture. Where are the two lines over here? Where are the two? This is a line, no, according to you. Isn't it? This is a line. It looks like a line, no? Which are the two lines intersecting? Is there any two lines are intersecting? Then how do you conclude? Something will tell now. And one smart girl came and drawn also showed. And she also said same thing. Okay. Think, use your brain. Brain is there now. Have you seen I have drawn a line now? Yes. Now can we tell vertically opposite angles? Who can tell? Yes, tell. P-O-R T-O-Q. See, this is one line, this is second line. So P-O-R and T-O-Q. Another pair? P-O-T and R-O-Q. Are you followed? Oi, following or not?
Yes, sir.
You followed? Yes or no? Sure. So which are telling me one pair of vertically opposite angle in this figure? R-O. Repeat. R-O-Q. T-O. Where is this? Which are the two lines? You just see this way cross. R-O-Q. Its opposite is crossing is coming over here now. What is the name of this angle? I touched one angle. What is this angle? P-O-T. Understood or not? Okay. So write below in your book. Vertically opposite angle. Maths you have to study means seriously listen. Otherwise you will not learn.
Sir, I wanted to tell you one thing. It's not from this chapter, but
First let's finish this one. In between don't come up with
sir,
this.
vertically opposite angles.
Vertically opposite angles.
Yes, sir.
Written?
Yes.
Right. When two lines intersect, each other, the opposite angles formed are called vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles formed are called vertically opposite angles.
No.
Okay? Understood? Yes, okay. Now what do you want to tell? Now tell.
In polynomials, our teacher said that you have to use both the AB formulas and you use A plus B whole square. Okay. And when we use x plus y whole square formula, we have to use both. In place of xy, we have to use AB formula, and in place of AB, we have to use xy. I told her if you don't write it, if you only use AB formula, is it okay? He said no. In place of xy, you have to write AB.
Gary, you stop now. Let us speak now.
And in place of AB, you will always have to write xy.
Oh,
So that is confusing.
okay, look here. The question in terms of x and y, you write the formulas a plus b whole square. In question is in a and b, write x plus y whole square. Do you know a plus b whole square? What is a plus b whole square?
A square plus 2AB plus B square.
What is x plus y whole square? Same thing, no x square.
Plus 2x.
Problem solved. Okay, if the question it is given x and y means write the identity as x, a and b. You also have to teach also. Okay, the question is given. Okay. Problem solved now. Teacher wanted that way, right? Problem solved. Now what do you want to do then? Now you want to tell something. Also think in between. Why you want to do this? No. Okay. Now, so now problem is solved. Now, will all right. Theorem. Written theorem. Spelling of theorem, do you know? So write THEOREM. Theorem. Yes, sir. Real. What is the meaning of theorem?
Like factor theorem.
Right, factor theorem. Very nice.
No, like methods to solve equations.
Methods to solve equations are called theorems. Very nice. Euclid's postulate studied, Euclid's axiom studied, What is postulate we studied. What is theorem is this one. Postulate studied. What is axiom we studied. What is theorem studied. Studying everything. Have you heard about theorems and propositions? In the Euclid, when you are discussing, have you heard about theorems and propositions? From the postulates and axioms, Euclid derived new properties with having a definite proof are called theorems or propositions. All follow forgetting everything. Now, how many of you remember Euclid's axiom and postulates? All raise the hand.
Except for the fifth question.
Too early. Now each other day I made everyone to learn every time. Oh, so yes, sir. Now 2 hands. Your hand is also up or not? 3. Okay. Other 2, 3. So theorem is write that statement then go home. Right. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. The vertically opposite angles are equal. Written?
Yes.
Okay, this is the theorem. What is the theorem? If two lines intersect each other, vertically opposite. Are you weak now? No, somebody is waiting also.
Opposite angles?
Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, relax. Okay, yeah. Next, listen. Homework you have written?
No.
What homework you are going to do?
What?
Previous chapters practice sums. Those who don't want to do the homework, I tell you. Next PT full mark.
Next PT?
Next PT, you know what is PT?
PT and
Periodic test.
Periodic test.
Okay, full mark. Ready? Agree? I am telling you, we have to work on homework. Who is ready with me? Those who doesn't want to do the homework, tell me, sir, I will get next PT, I will get full mark. No homework.
Sir, I will try.
No, you decide.
Do the
Tell me.
homework, sir. Because I have to study, sir.
Oh.
First July SSC exam.
Chalo, bye.
बस एग्जाम को टाइम है ना मेरा एग्जाम अगले ट्यूसडे को है अभी फुल के भारी कर रहे हैं वो तो मेरे दोस्त का लेके ना गया है इस काउच के ऊपर अरे मेरे घर पे बैठ के सही इतना घंटा बहुत जाती है खाना खाती है जब ऐसे यूट्यूब पे लगा के मैं पढ़ती हूँ मैं टीवी पे कौन
मैं नहीं मजा आता बिल्कुल
क्या टीवी पे पढ़ती है इससे यही लेक्चर देखना
आदित्य तुला वेट करायसाठी मम्मी येते जाऊ नको पाल कर